Welcome to all in our lecture series of subject PPCM. In our previous lecture, we learn about the IRR method and benefit cost ratio or probability index. In today lecture, we cover causes of project failure and function of management. If you do any project, so there are many reason or cause of failure for that project. So we discuss that causes. First is poorly defined project scope. Means if we not define scope in proper way, then we say that this is the cause of failure of our project. Inadequate risk management, failure to identify key assumptions, project managers who lack experience and training. Means you hired the project manager for your project and he or she not have so much experience in that field, so it is also the cause of project of failures. No use of formal methods and strategies, you not make any strategies for that. Lack of effective communication at all levels, means if you not communicate with everybody, then maybe it also cause the failure of your project. Key staff leaving the project and company, if the worker which is good in any skill, if they leave our company, then it is also the cause of failure of projects. Poor management of expectations, ineffective leadership, lack of detailed documentation, failure to track requirement, failure to track progress, lack of detail in the project plans, inaccurate time and effort estimates, and cultural difference in global projects. So these are some causes for failures of projects. So you remember these causes. Okay, so let's see function of management or function of construction management. So in function of management we have planning, scheduling, organizing, coordinating, staffing, directing and controlling. These 8 functions are there. These 7 functions are there. Okay, so let's see first planning. It is the process of selecting a particular method and order of work to be adopted for a project from all the possible ways and sequence in which it could be done. Means this is the initial phase in which we particularly select the method, by which method we have to do project and how we complete our task for a successful completion of our project. After that, scheduling. It is the fitting of the final work plan to a time scale. It shows the duration and order of various construction activities. After planning, you have to know how much time it will take for completing, start date, end date, what you required in that project. This all things comes in scheduling. Third one is the organizing. It is concerned with decision of the total construction work into manageable department and systematically managing various operations, delegating specific tasks to individuals. After done with scheduling, you have to go organizing. Organizing means you have to manage all things in a proper manner. Okay. Now coordinating. It involves bringing together and coordinating the work of various departments and sections to have a good communication. Means in coordinating you call all the department for communication, then there is no communication gap between the all departments, so coordinating department is for there. Okay. Staffing is the provision of right people to each section for successful completion of construction projects. Means you have to select the right people for a right work. Means if you want to do RCC slab and you select the people who do only the masonry work, then it is not doing in a proper way. That's why you have to select proper man for a proper work. Directing, it is concerned with training subordinates to carry out assigned tasks, to supervising their work and guiding their efforts. Means it is simple say the supervisor who guide the men who work in our project. And last is the controlling. It involves constant a review of the work plan, check on actual achievements and deviation, operate corrective measures. And last one is the controlling, in which we do all controlling parts of the projects. So these are the function of construction management, and these two things are important according to exam point of view also. So today's lecture is over, guys. Thank you.